Hey guys, start with Y here. For today's Japanese lesson, let's learn the Japanese words for different colors or iro in Japanese. And then, may challenge ako para sa inyo sa huli, so pay attention. Alright, let's get started. Let's introduce a list of 11 different colors. Ready? Shiro, white, kuro, black, aka, red, orange, orange, kiiro, yellow, midori, green, ao, blue, murasaki, purple, chairo, brown, hairo, gray, kiniro, gold, giniro, silver. My challenge for you today is to write what your favorite color is in the comments section. So, use the phrase, 私の一番好きな色は color です or my favorite color is blank. If your favorite color is not on the list, let me know in the comments and I'll see you in part 2. See you next time.